Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to open any program, games and software by using shortcut keys. So let's get started. First, go to the start menu and select the program. It could be any program. For example, I am taking the PowerPoint. Just right click on it and open the file location. And here is the program location. Right click on this PowerPoint shortcut and go to Properties. Now here is the option named Shortcut Key. Click inside this box and enter your favorite shortcut key. It can be any integer or any alphabet. For now I am going to select P because P stands for PowerPoint and it is easy to remember. Then just click on Apply. And then click on Continue. And click on OK. Okay, now let's see if it works. Let's press Ctrl plus Alternate plus P. And you can see it works. I hope this video helped you a lot. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.